widgets. So these widgets, these dashboard points, right, are all referencing those reports down here, right? When it's looking at contacts, it's looking at new contacts added in, it's pulling from that report to generate. When it's looking at leads and clients and others, right, it's looking at the status of those contacts, right? So it's referencing all the data over here to populate these widgets. Now, currently, there is not a way for you to create your own, unfortunately. And the other version of Keap, the Keap Max Classic, they do have that ability there. But on Pro, it's a lot more manual. You can see here, it's got quotes. You click this little slider right here when you're managing it, and this is how you turn them on and off. So let's say, for example, your business doesn't do the sales through Keap. We would just basically like turn off the quotes and invoices, right? Or maybe your business doesn't do scheduling and appointments. You would just turn off the appointments. Oh, we don't do reviews. Okay, we turn off reviews. The add one that you see up here allows you to grab the groups and add groups onto the dashboard. But that's it, just like the group, right? Not a report, a grouping of contacts within the CRM. And then they added in this request a widget, right, where they're actively looking for more of these ideas for them to keep adding stuff into here, right? It's harder for them to create a tool for you to create custom widgets opposed to them creating the widgets for everybody if people keep asking. So right now they're really pushing to people say, hey, let us know what you want and let us just quickly add it into the system. Make sense? Any questions on widgets, visibility, messing with these? The widgets are global, so that's something that you guys have to be mindful of. So if you are using Keap for sales, it's going to populate the sales widget. And if you have a sales rep, they're going to see how much sales are happening, right? So that's something you guys have to take into consideration. Typically what we would say is we would just, when we create that sales rep's user record, we would log in and we would just go here and just remove it, right, from their visibility. That's just none of their business. So we just kind of lock it down, right? And all we see inside of here, it would just disappear. So why did my you used to be able to take away the sales one, evidently in this sandbox version. Now the reason I'm confused is because I was just in this on another call. This might be a sandbox version app issue, so don't be stressed out on that one. But you should be able to change them around, move the visibility from any of the widgets the way you want to. I'm a big fan of the move too, depending on your monitor size. Okay. Any questions on widgets? On editing them, moving them around? Nope, feeling good on that? All right. Okay.